Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do the question number 1, 2, 7 and last of exercise of chapter number 2. Question number 1, encircle the correct option. First statement, cell makes copies of its chromosomes during A. Interphase, B. Nuclear division of mitosis, C. Nuclear division of meiosis, D. Cytokinesis. The correct option is A. Interphase. Second statement, the section of DNA which has informations for making a specific protein is called option A. DNA strand, B. Nucleotide, C. Chromosomes, D. Genes. The correct option is D. Genes. Third statement, chromosomes are made up of A. DNA only, option B. Proteins only, option C. DNA and proteins and fats, option D. DNA and proteins. The correct option is D. DNA and proteins. Fourth statement, the characters which are passed from parents to offspring, option A. Inheritable characters, option B. Non-inheritable characters, C. Environmental characters, D. Natural characters. The correct option is A. Inheritable characters. Statement number 5, an event that occurs during interphase. Option A. Division of nucleus, B. Division of cytoplasm, C. Duplication of chromosomes, D. Formation of cell wall. The correct option is C. Duplication of chromosomes. Sixth statement, reduction of chromosomes take place during option A. Mitosis, B. Meiotic 1, C. Meiotic 2, D. Both mitosis and meiotic 2. Correct option is B. Meiotic 1. Seventh statement, in humans a sperm has 23 chromosomes, egg cell has option A. 23 chromosomes, B. 46 chromosomes, C. No chromosomes, D. 69 chromosomes. Correct option is A. 23 chromosomes. Eighth statement, zygote is formed by the fusion of option A. 2 sperm cells, B. 2 egg cells, C. 2 somatic cells, D. Sperm cell and egg cell. Correct option is D. Sperm cell and egg cell. Statement 9, in humans the eye color is developed due to the effects of option A. Diet, B. Environment, C. Genes, D. Both A and B. The correct option is C. Genes. Statement 10, which statement is correct? A. DNA has instructions for making proteins. Option B. Protein has instructions for making DNA. C. Both of these. D. None of these. The correct option is A. DNA has instructions for making proteins. Question number 2. Match the words of the column A with the relevant words in column B. This is column A, this is column B. In column A, the first word is DNA, second cytokinesis, third earlobe, free earlobe, fourth zygote, fifth egg. Here first word is haploid cell, next diploid cells, division of cytoplasm, gene, hereditary character. First word DNA, it will match with this word gene. In the second column, cytokinesis will match with this division of cytoplasm, free earlobe, hereditary character, zygote, diploid cell, egg, haploid cell. Question number 7. Describe the characteristics that can be transferred from parents to offspring. The answer is on page number 26. It will start from this eye color, and second attached and detached earlobes, and then at this. Question number 9. Identify and label the following diagram. This is the diagram. We know that this is the diagram of chromosomes. Here you have to write chromosomes. The chromosomes consist of 2 chromatids. This is chromatid. This is 1. This is 2. And both these chromatids are attached with each other. The centromere. This is their centromere. You can also match it with the diagram on page number 24. This diagram. Thank you.